Alright, we're back. We're gonna do our lapping right now. We're gonna do a mock-up. Make sure we got piston clearance. Okay, there's gonna be these two here. Which head are we on? This front head? These are front. These are rear. Looks like marking center where I lapped them at. Okay, lapping compound. Dirty rag. This is a dirty rag. Real dirty. Look dirty when I touch it. Okay, don't put this on the valve stem, it's not oil. It goes over here in the seat area. Don't need a lot, just a little smear of it all the way around. That's way more than we really need, but it'll work. One goes there. And this one goes on here. That's enough for that one. Okay. Gotta go over to the workbench. Let the valve drop. Hear it go away. So you go back and forth, you lift up, move, come drop back down. So you go up, down, back down, rotate. You're not lapping in one spot. Clean the valve off. Nice and fat, very conservative on the inside of this valve. Nowhere near where I usually put shit. Spin around, you see how even it is. Looks pretty even. Look for a seat, can't see squat. That rag is so dirty. There's residue behind. Still hard to see the finish in there, but it's right there. It's really dull gray. When you have a gray seat and a gray lap, it's really hard to see what the hell is going on. Yeah, it's lapped. Difficult to see though. Next one. See that one pretty easy. I purposely back cut this to get the seat way out to the edge. You can see it in there. Residue. So going through there, you can see it. And it's kind of feathering it out a little bit. But it's there. See the seat mark there. All the way around, you can see it on the seat. There you go. So this one's a little light on the face. Lap it again. It's feathering a little bit more than I want it to in and out. Slight mismatch in angles. Do it again. hear more lapping compound at that time. Get a little limpy on the lapping. Oh yeah, I can see it now. Yeah. Didn't quite have enough lapping compound on the other one. Do this time around. Oh yeah. No problem seeing it now. Okay, so put that together. That looks good. Checking springs. Definitely heavier spring there. Okay, it's ready for mock-up. Check. Installed mock-up check of everything. Valve to piston clearance. Unknown. It's probably plant enough, but we're going to check it to find out. That looks okay. Go the way around. It's good. It's how you do stuff you don't put together and bend stuff. It's always nice to make sure you got clearances. A lot of people don't check anything. They read the blog and say, oh yeah, it'll fit. And they believe it. Kind of see it. Okay, that one looks like it's all the way around. Looks good. Go with it. Filthy rag. Don't leave lapping compound anywhere near your workstation. You don't want that crap in your motor. Get an extra keeper. Give you an extra keeper. A nice one. case you lose one, they'll give you an extra. That's nice of them. Okay, we're all mucked up, ready for assembly, so we'll be back.